During your silver years, you may have more time to yourself when you have lesser family commitments. So why not spend the time meaningfully on activities that can keep you active and productive? Here are 4 ways you can stay productive as you age. First, develop a hobby or an interest to enrich your life with knowledge and skills. If you have good hobbies to fill up your free time, then you'll be less likely to spend that time on negative activities and thoughts. It can give you a sense of accomplishment and builds up self-confidence. You can even use your newly found skill to generate an extra source of income. Second, have you ever imagined using your existing skills and knowledge to become an elderpreneur? It might sound like a dream, but with a little commitment and a good business plan, it's certainly possible. Here are some tips. It all starts with finding something you're passionate about. It might be your personal interest like photography, arts and crafts, or IT. Also, look internally to understand your own skills, abilities, network, and financial resources. If you are new to the trade, start small, as you do not need to utilize big amounts of resources. Remember to set realistic expectations, as a misconception about setting up your own business is that it is a means to getting rich quick. Look around your own locality to find successful businesses and take some inspiration from them too. Once you've settled on an idea for your business, prepare a plan that outlines your goals and business activities. Next, think about the channel, which can be mobile or online. This can reduce overhead costs and allow you to have a flexible schedule. Selecting the right channel, such as your own website, an online marketplace, or even a physical shop, is essential to ensure that your product or service reach your target audience. Word of mouth referrals and sharing through social media are effective ways of promoting any business. It is important to develop a cost-effective and sustainable business that makes the best use of your financial capital, skills, and network. Also, don't forget to register your business and follow the necessary regulations. Thirdly, keep physically and mentally healthy, as well as stay socially connected, since these can become part of your productive routine to help you spend time meaningfully. Incorporate activities such as brisk walking, social dancing, or gardening into your daily routine, which will not only help you relax, but also build and broaden your social connections. Observe your diet and eat healthy foods to keep your health in check. Lastly, you can also consider volunteering to make your silver years more fulfilling, where you can share your life experiences with others. Volunteering not only helps seniors enjoy improved family bonding, it enhances their social interaction and connectedness and maintains their physical and mental well-being. Continue your learning journey with the National Silver Academy. To find out more about ways to age productively, you can consider taking up in-depth courses such as starting a home business. The National Silver Academy has a wide range of subsidized learning opportunities for seniors aged 50 and above. Visit www.nsa.org.sg to find out more.